So today I'm going to walk through the cat delete that I did on my Ducati Monster. It's a 937cc, and I didn't really like the way it sounded with the stock cans, but didn't want to spend the money on a full exhaust or slip-on right now, so decided to go with the link pipe instead. So this is what it sounded like stock. Not really my favorite, but we're going to fix that. So this one works with the stock exhaust. That's why I got this one, because Acrovic also makes a link pipe, but it really only works with their exhaust. And I wanted to keep the stock one for now, because I really want to get an SC Project one, but that one's like $1,000 fucking dollars. So we're just gonna stick with the stock one for now. Plus, I also don't want to run a tune on it quite yet, and I was told that it should be just fine. I went through the Ducati techs, talked to them, and they said it should just be fine removing the cat without a tune, as long as we keep the stock tip on. For now, we're gonna see how it sounds. Oh my gosh. So these are all the parts that it came with. Like I said, it was by Leo Vince, and there's no reason that this would be a 2-hour job turning into 3 days, because it comes with step-by-step picture instructions. So first step was removing the heat shield, and ignore the way I'm sitting, please. I have hardwood floors, so it's very unpleasant. And just as a forewarning, this was something I found out afterwards, but the heat shield doesn't really fit back on with the link pipe, and it honestly gets so hot anyway, it's probably better to switch to a carbon fiber one if you're going to do this, so just something to keep in mind.
We're such manly men.
Hey, it's okay. Y'all are new to the bike stuff, right? Okay, I'm gonna need your help when I get to the cat though, because this piece, once I unclip everything, it's literally just gonna fucking fall. So.
The mechanic stuff, that's my world. I used to build race cars and shit.
Yeah.
But like, an engine is an engine is an engine is an engine at the end of the day.
Yeah. My dad was a mechanic, so I spent a decent amount of time working on cars. Not like a lot, but I've done more work on my bikes than I have on cars, to be honest, because all of the fucking cars I've had, it was always like stuff my dad didn't want to mess with, and so I always got prepaid maintenance on them anyway. German cars. After you take off the heat shield, just need to remove the mufflers, and so that's just 2 bolts. You got one on the top, one on the bottom, and then it just slides right out. If you're still with her, you probably wouldn't have met us. So. Pretty sure my friends came in just to see if I was going to mess something up, and they thought it would be funny, so they recorded just about all of it. And they made some very interesting comments, so they might be muted on occasion.
Tell me where the drugs are.
Oh my god.
That takes a whole new turn to grab it and twist it.
Okay.
So, alright, which do you want? Do you want the flat end that's going to make it like paper thin, or do you want the teeth? Pick.
What? Oh, there's just the one. Sweet.
Oh, 100%, dude. You fucking young buck. I bet you don't even know anything about like the OG YouTube when you could say the hard R and no one would bat an eye.
I was there. I was there during Xbox.
I was like, yeah, that didn't end that long ago. That still kind of goes. Are you stealing shit too?
Can.
You can?
Yeah, I've been broken up.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, when I was saying 30,000 a year, you think that like, relax. You think I was honest all the time?
I mean, I would hope you would be. You know,
Yeah, we'll go with
most of
that.
the time. Most of the time, why not?
Yeah, we'll go with that. We'll go with that.
Oh my gosh. Look at everything over there. Oh my gosh, that fucking thing is heavy, y'all.
Trust anybody. Oh, I should trust you. And he's like, no, you can trust me. I don't trust you. I told that all the time. That's why I carry a big knife with me.
So everything stopped recording, unfortunately, because my phone ran out of storage space. But ended up attaching the new clamps here onto the pipes. Got that one. Threw on the spring there, which was made very easily. This actually came with the tool to do that. So this guy made that really simple to attach right there on the mid pipe. And then there's also going to be a new clamp that was attached there. Ended up putting this piece back on pretty quickly and easily. And then the cans just fit right on with the old clamp through on right there. And then put the guard back on. This ended up being like slightly off. Had to pull this up quite a bit to be able to reattach it. I think I may have been over here just a little bit to get it fitted, but it's fine. I just didn't want to remove the header pipe, and so that meant that fitment of everything else is a little hard. I still think it's worth it because refitting the header pipe sounded like an absolute nightmare that I just didn't want to deal with. Still worked out just fine in the end. Was able to do it all myself, and it all fit nice. And then there's the cat. Thing was like 15 pounds, and it honestly looks so much cleaner without it. Alright, first cold start. She hasn't been started in like 6 weeks because she was being stored in my apartment, so let's see how it goes. Honestly, it looks so much cleaner, and she sounds so much better without